Hey you guys, Sylvia here and welcome to my Christmas Deals 2023 review. Well, shall I call it a review? This is Alessandro Zamboni's Christmas Deals 2023 Christmas offer, okay? So guys, this is the sales page, and on this sales page you will see everything you need to know in order to make an educated decision. If you want a review of any of these products individually, well, just letting you know, I have most likely, from what I can see, reviewed most of the products, so go watch my reviews. But with this bundle deal, what Alessandro Zamboni did, like he did in last year, last Christmas, 2022 Christmas, he also did that Christmas sale, and it's very popular. I mean, the value you're getting here is insane, guys. So just for a small price of $17 instead of $323.9, so which is saving you 95%, you're getting all of those 12 winning products about online marketing, Kindle, and printables, right? With a one single fee. So a steal of a deal, as they say, okay? And this offer goes live on the 24th. Let me just double check when it goes live. Yeah, 24th of December, 10 a.m. New York time. There will be a few upsells. So I'll talk about the upsells in a sec. I just want to show you what kind of products you will get. So all of the products will have been released in 2023 by Alessandro Zamboni, some of them by him alone. Some of the products, from what I noticed, were launched with, what was his name? Andreas Quintana, or there's another guy who launches sometimes, especially the ChatGPT prompts with Alessandro Zamboni, Pablo, I'm sorry, I forgot his name. But anyhow, the product you're getting here, guys, is the ChatGPT Empire, the most recent one, which really sold well. Next product is AI Music Empire, then AI Coloring Books Empire, ChatGPT Affiliates Empire, AI Stickers Empire, Backdrops Empire, AI Children Books Empire. It's all to do with empire. Alessandro Zamboni has certainly built his empire. Then Prompt Selling Empire, Self-Publishing Empire. This is an excellent, actually, product. This was actually done by Andreas Quintana. I know it's also sold really well. They got excellent feedback, probably like 5 stars, on Warrior Plus. So yeah, very, very good training course. And then Cash GPT Empire, Escape Rooms Empire. This is a very good product too. This one also is very good. Faceless Tube Empire. I know very good doesn't say much, but I don't want to get too carried away, guys. As I said, I did review all of them, so if you are interested more about what the products are like, go watch my reviews, guys. But to be honest, $17 for all of those products, the whole bundle, is just crazy. A crazy, deal, a massive money saver. You're saving 95%, as opposed to, if you were to get them individually. So there will be a few OTOs. So let me just show you the OTOs you'll have. The OTO number 1 will be $27. Is a collection of all OTOs launched in 2023. So again, probably like 90-95% you're saving here. Then the collection, OTO number 2, the collection of all prompt products. Alessandro Zamboni released with Paulo. Paulo Grow. This is $37. Then we have OTO number 3. And this one is a collection of all prompt upsells. So that's $67. OTO number 4 will be a set of special offers and premium webinars for $47. Then OTO number 5, a collection of all of the previous Christmas deals. Okay, from previous years for 97. Well, so that's the deal, guys. If you want to pick it up, go grab that link below my review in the description box. Read about the description, about all of each and every single of, these products. That training courses, most of them, some of them would be prompts, ChatGPT prompts, all right, but most of them training courses. It's going to go live on the 24th, so Christmas Eve, 24th of December, 10 a.m. New York time. It's going to be on for 5, maximum 6-7 days only, and then taken down for good. Okay, so if you want to grab it, the time to act is now. All right, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon, and Merry Christmas.